The next topic is isoelectronic species. Let's see the table. Here you can see different ions N3 minus, O2 minus, F minus. Neon is not ion, neon is a neutral atom, and Na plus ion. Every ion here N3 minus to Na plus contains same number of electrons, 10 electrons. But let's see the number of protons. N3 minus contains 7 protons, O2 minus contains 8 protons, Na plus contains 11 protons. And this table is enough to understand isoelectronic species. Can you predict the definition of isoelectronic species from this table? How to define isoelectronic species? A series of atoms, ions or molecules. Clear? Atoms, ions or molecules in which each species contain same number of electrons. Each species contains same number of electrons, but different protons or different nuclear charge are called isoelectronic species. What is the connection between nuclear charge and proton? Proton present inside the nucleus. So number of proton is equal to nuclear charge. Sodium contains 11 protons. So what is the nuclear charge? 11. So charge of nucleus is equal to charge of proton. Okay, because the only particle present inside the nucleus is charged particle present inside the nucleus is proton. So nuclear charge is equal to charge of proton. Clear? Now let's see the details of each ions and how these numbers are coming. First take N3 minus. Element is nitrogen. Do you remember the atomic number of nitrogen? 7. 7 means 7 protons. Nuclear charge is 7. Electronic configuration is 2,5. 7 electrons. Okay. 7 protons, 7 electrons in nitrogen. When it becomes N3 minus, when nitrogen take 3 electron, when nitrogen receive 3 electron, it becomes 2,8. Then by taking 3 electron, it becomes 2,8 for get stability. And this condition is called N3 minus. So how many electrons total? 2 plus 8 equal to 10. Clear? 10 electrons. But is there any change in number of protons inside the nucleus? No. Inside the nucleus, no change. Number of protons remain same. Only number of electrons is changing here. Okay, so number of protons is again 7. Nuclear charge remains same. What about O2 minus? Oxygen. Atomic number 8. 2,6. When it take 2 electron, it become 2,8 and oxygen become O2 minus. Okay, how many electrons? 2,8 means 10 electrons. But how many protons? When it receive 2 electron, proton number remain again same. Inside the nucleus, number of protons remain same. What is that number? 8. That is nuclear charge is 8. Okay, take neon. Take neon. What is the atomic number of neon? 10. Neon 10. 2,8. Neon is a noble gas, so neon will not receive or will not lose electrons. So number of electrons is 10 and number of proton also 10. No change. And why neon included in this series? Because number of electrons in neon and number of electrons in F minus is same. So we can include neon also in isoelectronic series. Sodium, atomic number is 11. 2, 8, 1. Number of protons or nuclear charge is 11. Number of electron also 11. But when Na lose electron, 1 electron, it become 2, 8. Charge become Na plus. How many electrons now? 10. How many protons? How many protons inside the nucleus? Again 11, because proton number will not change. Okay, so 11. So now it's very clear. In all the ions, number of electrons are same, but only difference in number of protons or nuclear charge. Like this species are called isoelectronic species, and this series of ions are together called isoelectronic series. Now let's compare the size of ions in isoelectronic series. First compare the size of N3 minus and Na plus. Out of these two ions, which one possesses least atomic size? We know both are isoelectronic, Na plus and N3 minus, both are isoelectronic. Why they are isoelectronic? Because due to the same number of electron and nuclear charge or number of protons are different. So both are isoelectronic. My question is, out of these two, which one possesses least atomic size? Which one possesses the low atomic size? Can you tell the answer? The correct answer is Na plus. Why Na plus? See this number 7 and 11. Number of electron is same, but Na plus having 11 protons and 10 electrons. So 11 protons can easily attract 10 electrons. So these protons are effective for attraction. That is, the effective nuclear charge is high. When effective nuclear charge increase, what about atomic size? Atomic size will decrease. Clear? But in the case of N3 minus, only 7 protons inside the nucleus. But how many electrons around it? 10. So the attraction is weak. Only 7 protons are there to attract 10 electrons. So the attraction is weak, and one more thing, this nuclear charge, the 7 nuclear charge, is not effective for attraction. So effective nuclear charge is less. If effective nuclear charge is less, atomic size is more. So what is the conclusion? The size of N3 minus is more than Na plus. That is, Na plus have least atomic size. Clear? And like this, we can compare the atomic size of different ions in isoelectronic series. So what is the conclusion? In isoelectronic series, atomic radii or atomic size decrease with the increase of nuclear charge. Increase of nuclear charge. What do you mean by nuclear charge? Increase of number of protons. So more number of protons, that species can attract electron more, so size will decrease.